everyone, welcome back to my channel. This week's video is one that I am so excited about. As you can see by the title, this week I am going to be redecorating my bedroom. Oh my goodness, redecorating, renovating, interior design is everything that I am about. I just absolutely love it. I've been wanting to do something to my bedroom for a good few months now, but I could never quite put my finger on what it was that I wanted to change. We created the bedroom that you can see right now about, how long ago was it? Maybe 4 years ago, I think, which I know in the grand scheme of things isn't that long ago. So I'm not going to be changing the entire bedroom. All my furniture will stay the same, but I just think if I change little bits and bobs, it's going to make the world of difference. So when Desenio emailed me asking if I would like to work with them, I was like, this is perfect. This is what I've been looking for. Like I said, I'm all about interior design and renovation, absolutely love it. So this is literally a video that I have been so excited to make. Desenio are a website which sell prints. They sell photography prints, typography, you know, like the fancy quotes that are written nice and it's really aesthetically pleasing. They sell those. They sell artwork, they sell like more abstract prints. Whatever you are into, I can guarantee you will find something on Desenio. For me, I found many things. It took me hours to decide which prints to choose, but I whittled it down to my favourite 3 and then kind of like redesigned my bedroom around those prints. Let me tell you, the prints on Desenio are absolutely beautiful. They are such high quality pictures, especially like the photography ones. Oh my goodness, crystal clear. Like honestly, proper HD. I'm talking clearer than my eyesight. They're printed on really nice paper as well, and they also sell frames, and the frames feel like really sturdy quality. They look really expensive, but they're not actually expensive. We all love a bargain, and I feel like Desenio is the perfect way to change your bedroom without breaking the bank, as well as not having to spend loads of money. I feel like I'm going to be able to change my bedroom so quickly. Like it's going to be such a quick process what I want to do, but I feel like the whole vibe of the room will change. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. I just want to get on with it and like do it right now. And the lovely team over at Desenio have actually got a discount code for you guys, an exclusive offer. So using this code gets you early access to Desenio's big summer sale, where they are offering 30% off posters, but using this code, not only do you get early access, you also get 35% off the posters. The discount code is on screen now. It is valid between the 24th and 26th of July, so go and get your posters quick. If you're also looking to revamp your room this summer, now is the perfect time. I would genuinely, hand on heart, recommend their prints. I'll be sure to leave all the information of the discount code in the description down below, so yeah, go and check it out. So this is my bedroom before. This is it in its raw form. As you can see, I've been sat there on my laptop, but this is what I want to change. So basically this wall is a bit of a feature wall in my bedroom. So the door is here, and as you come in, that is the first thing that you see. So I think that wall is what I want to change. I'm also going to change like little accents around my room. Please excuse, it's not the tidiest at the minute, but as you can see, like on my bedside table, I really like a bit of sparkle. Quite a few little places in my room I've like glitzed it up and add little bits of diamonds and stuff like that. So I think I want to incorporate a bit more sparkle into my bedroom. I think that's what it's lacking. I've ordered my prints from Desenio, so I've kind of got in mind what I want to do with it. So I'm going to paint it, add some sparkle and put the prints up, but all the other stuff I haven't quite decided yet. I've had my fairy lights up now for a good few years, and I do love them when they're on, don't get me wrong, but it's quite rare that I actually do put them on. I want to go for a more classy vibe. When we redid this bedroom, I wanted everything white, so it is a very, please excuse the clothes down there, but it is very light, it's very bright. However, now I feel like it needs a little bit of colour. So the prints I've ordered do have a bit of colour in them, but also I think I'm going to paint this wall. And I've actually ordered from Amazon this glitter that you put in paint. When it arrives, I'll show you it and everything, but you pour it in and stir it around and it makes your wall sparkly. Absolutely love the idea of that. But I just think painting it and putting the prints up will give it a bit more of a personality, because obviously it is all white, which is very calming. Like my bedroom is my calm place, and I feel like the prints I've chosen do kind of reflect that. They're very like subtle. That's the vibe I'm going for. I just need a bit more sparkle, a little bit more colour. I think what I'm craving is just a little change. So in my family we're quite spontaneous, so I know I've just said that like I'm going to be doing this bedroom renovation. However, we're now on our way to B&Q to go and have a look at some different paint samples. I'm not not going to buy the actual paint today because I want to test it on the wall first, because I'm not sure like what shade of grey I want to go for yet. So we're going to go and get a couple of samples to see some potentials. I didn't think I'd be looking at samples this fast, but here we are on our way to B&Q. So I think I'm going to go for a silk paint instead of a matte paint, because apparently the glitter shows up better in the silk paints, but I can't decide between chic shadow, goose down or warm pewter. These are my three options, but it's such a hard choice, so I'm going to buy testers of them all and see which one I like best on my wall. While I'm in here, I thought I'd just have a look at the homeware just to see, although it's not looking very promising, I'm not going to lie. I really want some sort of like small glass crystal looking light, kind of like these ones, but I'm not sure. So we've just finished in B&Q, I've got my testers, and we're now actually going to quickly pop to the range, because the range have so many like nice sparkly bits in there, and I just need like bits and bobs to change my bedroom a bit more. So I'm going to see what they've got. I haven't really got anything in mind. I also want to have a look at the ceiling lights in there, because I had a look in B&Q but they didn't have that big of a selection. I think we've found the light. The time has come to take down the lights. I'm actually quite excited to do this, and then finally I'm going to be able to test out the paint samples. So I'm going to take these down now, take the little hooks off the wall. I'm a little bit worried because I've got wallpaper on my wall and you're not supposed to put the hooks on wallpaper, so I think it's going to rip it, but I'm going to try and be careful. So yeah, that's my job for this afternoon. Okay, so I've taken the hooks off. A lot of them actually came off with like barely any marks, but some of them, it defo has peeled the paper off. I think that one's the worst, but like, I mean, once the wall is painted, I don't think you'll even see it, so I'm sure it will all be fine. Okay, finally, it has got to the time where I'm gonna do the sample testers. I don't even know why I'm so excited about this. I think it's because they're these little like tiny roller squeezy things, and hopefully my decision will be quite clear of which one I like best. Let's have a go. I'm a little bit nervous, I'm not gonna lie, but I love painting, it's so satisfying.
So if I stay, would you be lying to me?
So these are the three shades. The one that I know I don't want is the middle one. I think I like the lighter one, to be honest, because it does kind of like just match the silver the best. Pretty sure I'm gonna go with this one. Oh my gosh, guys, my prints have arrived. Oh my god, I'm so excited to open this, like you don't even understand. Here goes. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, I love the frames. So I've got the three silver frames. I really like that they're quite a thin border, and silver goes with my room because like all my little accessories are silver. That is why I went for that, but they did have like the gold, the wood, the black options as well. And then we have the big moment, the prints. There is art inside. Am I inside this? Oh my god, I already love the colours of the first one. Okay, so this is the first one. It says, she designed a life she loved, and it's got like this pink paint stroke on it. I really wanted to add a little bit of colour, so blush pink is the colour I've gone for. The next one is this really pretty blush flower print. I like that it was kind of like dusky and subtle, just a little bit of pink, you know. I don't want to be like pink crazy, but I want a little bit of colour. And the last one, this is possibly my favourite image. I'm so excited to see this. How cool is that? I love that there's like the same colours in all of these. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to put them on the wall. I'm going to put them in their frames now and lay them out on the floor, and I will show you. Oh my god, I'm so excited about this. I love like redecorating. It is like my thing. Yes, we love an interior design queen. So I've just put all the prints in the frames. Look how pretty they are. Like the colour match is amazing. Obviously I'm going to leave links to all of these prints and the frames in the description down below in case you like any of these in particular. My favourite is the makeup one. I think that's such a nice picture. It's such a good quality image as well. Look how clear that is. I just love them. I think they look so nice together. I can't wait to put them on the wall. So guys, I thought I would just quickly show you the bits and bobs that I've got to change my room. So obviously I'm painting and I'm just like redecorating the little things, and I think it's going to make such a difference. I've moved my bedside table to paint, so that is why that's in the middle of my bedroom. So first of all, I obviously have the three gorgeous prints from Desenio. These were like my starting point, so this is what the room is based off. Absolutely love it. These are going to be such a focal point. I've also picked up a new light. Obviously you can't really see it here because it's in the packaging, but this was from the range. It was about £20. It's nice and like cozy because this bit is matte, it's like velvety, and then obviously it also has the crystals hanging down, so it is also really pretty. I've got some new bedding. It needs ironing, it's just been washed but it's waiting for an iron, and this was from the range. Then to go on my bed I got a couple new cushions. So I got this sparkly one and this furry grey one. These were both from Asda and they were £5 each. This will make sense when it comes together, but I got these two little wedding bouquets of flowers to go on my bedside table, but I promise you once you see it in my bedroom it's going to look so nice. It's not going to be weird that I've bought wedding bouquets. But these are little white roses and they've got glitter on and they've got little pearls. I think they're so pretty. I picked up another little crystal frame from the range. I already had two of these but I needed a space filling, so I just picked up another one. I got this pack of 3 candles from IKEA. £3.50 for them, what a bargain. And I also got this candlestick holder from the range. It's like glass, it looks so pretty. I also got this little heart sculpture from the range. I'm not really sure where it's going to go yet. I just really liked it and I liked that it was silver. And for my bedside table I picked up another little fake orchid. We have 3 of these in this house now, like we're a little bit obsessed. And also the white pot is from IKEA and I just stuck this little row of diamonds around it. I got these two, they're actually candle holders, like tea light holders, but I don't use them for that. But I picked up these big ones because on my bedside table the 2 bunches of flowers are going to go in one and the other one has a very interesting use which you will see when I've done it. Got a new light switch for my new lampshade because the bulb is a dimmer one, so I'm going to have a dimming light. I'm way too excited about that. This is the paint I've gone for. It is Goose Down by Dulux. And look what's arrived. It's the glitter for the paint. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to swirl this into the paint. I feel like it's going to be so satisfying. I would definitely film that. But yeah, I got 2 packs of this because you're supposed to use 1 packet per 1.5 litres of paint and I've got 2.5 litres, so I needed 2 packets. I got this on Amazon. It had really good reviews, which is why I went for this one, but obviously I'll let you know what I think. I'll leave a link to it down below. Actually, I'll try and leave a link to everything here down below, so if anything has caught your eye, it is in the description box. Oh my god, how could I forget this? I've got a new chair for my dressing table. This is from IKEA. It was £55 and I've just put this white fluffy cushion on it, so it actually looks like this when you buy it, but I think it looks a lot cuter with the fur cushion. Adorable. Oh my gosh guys, it's painting day and I'm very excited about it. I've just had some breakfast and my bedroom is a little bit prepared. I need to pull my bed out. I need to pull this bedside table out. I have no idea how I'm going to paint on top of the wardrobe, but I'm going to try my best. We've decided that my mum is going to paint around the edges because like there's no way I can do that and make it look neat, and then I'm going to fill it in so I get the fun bit. I'm so excited to pour the glitter into the paint though. I've changed my top because I decided it's probably not a great idea to paint in a new white top. Nice one, Han. Okay, so I'm now going to pour the glitter into the paint. I thought I'd film this because I think it's going to be really satisfying. It's supposed to be quite a subtle sparkle, so it's not going to look like a glitter wall, it will just look a little bit glittery. First coat is done. I absolutely love it. You can't really see the sparkles on this camera, but I will show you them a bit later on with the flash. It looks so pretty. So now I'm going to let this dry for about, I don't know how long you let paint dry. I'm gonna have to Google it. Oh my gosh, I think I'm finally finished. I've done 2 coats now. It's looking a bit patchy because it hasn't dried yet, and also this is a light reflection from the window, like there's not a mark on the wall. But I've done all that. I've done above the wardrobe. I had to get on the ladder because I'm way too small, and I had to have an extra long brush to go in the corner. But all of that is done. Oh my god, I love this colour. It looks so pretty, and the glitter is my favourite. I'll see if I can show you, but I don't know how well it's gonna pick up on camera. Oh yeah, you can see that. Look, see how it's a nice like subtle glitter. It's not too much, but it's also really pretty. guys, that brings us to the end of this video. My bedroom transformation is complete, as you can see behind me. I absolutely love it. I love the vibe of it. I feel like it's a lot more relaxed, but it's also a lot more glamorous. I love the colour scheme, I love the accessories, and I absolutely adore the prints. I really feel like the prints just make it. Like, imagine how bare this wall would look without those. They are gorgeous, and I love that they add a little pop of colour as well. Not to blow my own trumpet, but I also feel like the combination of prints that I chose work really well together. Like, I've got my quote, I've got a cute little picture of a makeup brush, and also a really cute picture of like a little bit of floral, put a little bit more colour in. I just love the way they look together. I'll be sure to leave the names of those 3 prints in the description down below, so if there is a particular one that you like, it is down there for you to go and find. And if you are also looking for a way to jazz up your bedroom a little bit, I would definitely recommend hanging some prints on your wall, because they honestly complete the room. There's just such a chilled vibe in here right now. The whole process of getting the prints from Desenio, them arriving, putting them up, it was such an easy process, so I'd really recommend that to you guys. And like I've previously mentioned, Desenio have kindly given you guys a discount code. All you got to do is use the code FabulousHannah at the checkout, and you will get early access to their summer sale, along with an incredible 35% off the posters. But do remember, this is valid from the 24th to the 26th of July. So go ahead, get your posters, grab your bargains, and if you do get any prints, be sure to send me pictures of them, because I would absolutely love to see them. All the information you need to know about Desenio, the prints, the discount code is all in the description down below to make it easy for you guys. But anyway, I think that's everything. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've enjoyed seeing my room transform into my luxurious, glamorous little chill out cave. It's everything I wanted it to be and more, so I'm incredibly happy with how it turned out. I just want to say a big thank you to Desenio for working with me on this video. Absolutely loved making it, and I loved the motivation to get my room redone. I knew I wanted to do it, but this really pushed me, so thank you guys for that. Thank you to you lovely lot for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to see my future videos. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye!